Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here I am with Mr.
Sandeep Singh,
author of.
It happened one day.
So sir, how is it visiting the world's largest book fair?
It's a wonderful experience, and now that we have a newly built hall and the Pragati Maidan has been renovated in a big way, so it's really attractive and it really is now world class.
So can you tell us a little bit more about your book?
This book was really always in my mind.
Okay.
These are small incidents, either you can say they are from my own life when I was growing up as a schoolboy, or something I noticed around me.
Right.
Some of my friends, they experienced something, or something which came to me as a realization. As some of the stories about the animals, there are some stories about animal characters also.
Right.
And those stories was something that you can say it was wishful thinking. I wanted things to turn out that way.
Right.
So it is a portrayal of that.
So we have a large community of budding writers and authors. So what is one piece of advice you want to give them?
I would like to advise that if it is their passion, they should stick to it and not let go of it and keep working on it. Things do happen, things will click. Initially, okay, it may be a bit of a hard work, promoting yourself and introducing yourself. But in the society, you will find readers and people who are really looking for new options. We have all those settled kind of reading stuff. But people are looking for new things. They want to have new ideas which are more in tune with the, you can say, modern society or the new themes or the new age. So that makes the writings from the new authors very relevant, and the people are looking forward to it.
Right. So stay true to yourself and keep at it, basically.
Yes, that is
Right.
the mantra.
Right. So thank you so much for sharing that with us. Thank you so much for
Thank you.
visiting. I
Thank
hope you
you.
have a wonderful book fair.
Thank you. Thank you.